Okay, as promised, I told you guys I was going to come back with another money-making idea that you can do online. Whether you stay at home, whether you work from your cell phone, wherever you are, you can make money from this particular site. They have an online site and an app for your phone. I've been using this one for a while as well. Now, like I told you guys, it is possible to pay bills with these methods that I am showing you. And I do pay bills with them. I'm not going to, again, I'm going to reiterate, I'm not going to waste your time because I don't want my time wasted. Again, I will tell you, I'm not going to lie and say make $3 million a year. You're going to get rich quick or any of that. Like I said, if you put these methods together and you work them, the more you do it, the higher the pay. Now, one thing I like about this site that I'm about to share with you guys, they have multiple ways to earn money. Now, you get some sites that you only have one way. Now, this is a survey site as well. But on top of that, they give you offers, surveys. You can watch TV and earn money. Yes, I said watch TV and earn money. You can play games. Who doesn't like to play games out there, okay? If you like to put a little money in a pot and see what you can win, you can also do that. You can win money and you can get part of your money back as a cash back bonus. Or you can play free games. You can search the web. They have multiple things across the board that you can do here. You can even go to Groupon. Who shops at Groupon? I'm sure plenty of us do. They give you money back, cash back for shopping Groupon. They have coupons. All you do, cut them out, clip them, and earn money. They have lots of things. They have things on here to help you make money. They have things on here to help you save money. They have apps, everything. I like this site. They give you plenty of ways to earn. Another thing, you can sit here and search the web, and whatever you search, you can get paid for it. Now, when you sign up, guys, they're going to give you $5, okay? To cash out, you must reach $30. With this site, it's not hard to do. It doesn't work on a point system. It actually works on cash. Before you do a survey, it tells you how long the survey will be and what your pay will be if you complete that survey. When you first sign up, you also complete your profile. You get paid for completing your profile, guys. You go down, and that's the quickest way to get to the 30 in the beginning, okay? They have a task list for you to do. It's simple. And in no time, you will earn your $30, okay? If you use this site, like I said with the other one I showed you guys, I'm not on here every single day because I don't have to be. You know, once you put your email in, they will send you emails daily or maybe a few a day. Depends on how you set your profile up to communicate with them. I go there and I do it once a week. I type it in and I go down the line. You also get paid to read emails. Yes, I said read emails. It's all on here. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. They have cash offers. They have offers for you to do. You can look over them. You don't have to. They have deals. They have lots of stuff for you guys. Here, offers. You get 100% free offers. You have new offers. You have club favorites, making money, save money, surveys, TV, games. I'm telling you guys, this site offers a lot. It also, those of you who want to sign up with Lyft and Uber and all those places, it also has spots on there for you to sign up through here. If you sign up through here and you do get hired and you start working, guess what they're going to give you? Not on top of what Lyft is going to give you for being qualified. They're going to give you $100 just for being qualified. Like I said, guys, so you can take these deals as long as they're on here, or you can pass them up. It's totally up to you, okay? They do have on here where you learn and earn. They ask you a question, okay? You answer it. You don't have to get the question correct. If you get it wrong, no problem. You still get paid. That's what I like. You still get paid. The surveys, if you don't qualify, oh, you don't walk away with just nothing. They have a wheel. It's called Billy. You get a chance to spin that wheel, and you get a chance to make money, okay? You get a chance to, sometimes it may say, oh, you didn't win anything, but more often than not, you may win $5, you may win $1, you may win this, you may win a chance in a scratch-off. Did I just say scratch-off? Yes, I said scratch-off. They have their own scratch-off here, okay? You earn your chances up to that, which is this, scratch and win right here, guys. You earn your chances up to that, okay? I've done multiple scratch-offs. Yes, I have one big, some I have one small. But once you get there, guys, it's there. You work your way up to it, you got a chance to win something here, here, or here. If you get to here and you scratch your ticket, then it starts over. So if you get here and you let it keep going to here, and then there's another third one further down, okay? The further down you go, the higher the chance of the money that you will win. The surveys, like I said, you do your profile, they send you surveys that cater to you, okay? It's more than surveys, guys. So if you want, go ahead, sign up, click on through my referral link down below. And guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like I say, I have multiple things that I do online to make money. And yes, it does pay off. I'm here to help you help yourself. Some of us during the summer have nothing to do. Why not make a little extra change? You know what I'm saying? Some of us are stay-at-home moms or stay-at-home dads, you know. Some of us, you can do this while you watch TV. You know, you surf the web anyway. They also pay you to surf the web here through this site. So you can watch your TV programs and do this. Why not? You can sit on the beach. You can sit on your balcony. You could, you know what I'm saying, be waiting on the bus stop and type it in on your cell phone and make money. It's really simple, guys. So like I said, if you like this, like it, comment, share, and please subscribe because I will be uploading more. I have another site where you get paid more than pennies, okay? And you will get paid that amount, that same amount over and over and over. It's easy, guys. I will be uploading more, so like I said, subscribe to my channel. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.